Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power on and off by holding the power button. Hold it 7 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing mode and pair with your phone or laptop. Charge the WH-1000 XM5 with the included USB-C cable. A full charge takes about 3 hours and delivers up to 30 hours of playback with noise canceling on. If you need a fast boost, a 3-minute quick charge gives roughly 3 hours of listening. Store the headphones in the case when not in use. Control playback and volume with the right ear cup touch panel. Tap to play or pause, double tap to skip, and swipe up or down to adjust volume. Use the dedicated NC/ambient button to cycle noise canceling, ambient sound, and priority microphone modes for announcements. The Speak to Chat feature pauses playback automatically when you speak, and wearing detection pauses or resumes audio when you remove or put on the headphones. For precise EQ, open the Headphones Connect app and choose presets or custom equalizer settings. Set up Bluetooth multipoint in the app to connect 2 devices simultaneously so calls switch between phone and laptop. For best call clarity, ensure wind reduction is enabled in the app and speak directly into the microphone. Testing in quiet environments helps confirm settings. Install firmware updates via the Headphones Connect app to gain improvements and new features. If you encounter issues, perform a factory reset by holding the power and NC buttons together for 7 seconds, and keep the headphones dry and stored in the included case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.